Welcome to this video about English words that start with the letter W. Today we will learn basic but very useful vocabulary with meanings, examples, and common collocations. Even simple words become much more powerful when you know how native speakers naturally use them. And in this video, you will find more than 100 examples and expressions to help you sound more fluent.
Worm, a small soft animal with no bones that lives in soil or water. I saw a worm in the garden. Walk, to move on foot. I walk to school every day. Walk, a short trip on foot. Let's go for a walk. Water, the clear liquid we drink. I need a glass of water.
To water plants, to give water to plants, flowers, or crops so they can grow. I water the plants every morning. She used a watering can to water the flowers in the garden.
Wait, to stay until something happens. Please wait here. Warm, having a little heat, not cold. The soup is warm. Watch, a small clock you wear on your wrist. I bought a new watch.
Besides a watch, there are other types of clocks too. There is a clock on the wall.
My alarm clock rings at 6. He uses a smartwatch to check messages. Watch, to look at something carefully. We watch TV at night. Welcome, used to greet someone kindly. Welcome to my house. Welcome, polite answer when someone says thank you. Thanks, you're welcome. White, the color of milk or snow. She wore a white dress. Well, in a good way, she sings very well.
Water well, a deep hole in the ground used to get water. People in the village get water from the well. Wishing well, a well where people throw coins and make a wish for good luck. The children threw coins into the wishing well and made a wish.
Wet, covered with water. My shoes are wet. Where, in or to what place? Where are you from? Who, what person? Who is your teacher? Why, for what reason? Why are you late? Wedding, a ceremony when people get married. Their wedding was beautiful. Wife, the woman someone is married to. His wife is a famous lawyer in the city. Window, an opening in a wall with glass. She opened the window. Winter, the coldest season of the year. Winter is my favorite season.
The 4 seasons are spring, summer, autumn, British English, or fall, American English, and winter.
Weather, the condition outside. Rain, sun, etc. The weather is nice today. Wind, moving air. The wind is very strong today. Word, a unit of language. Happy is a nice word.
Word book, a book of words. He looked it up in the word book. Look up, to search for information in a book, dictionary, website, or other source. I looked up the answer online.
Work, to do a job. I work in a hospital. Work, the tasks you do at your job. I have a lot of work today. Worker, a person who works. The workers build houses. World, the earth and all people. The world is big. Write, to put words on paper. I write letters to my friend. Wall, the side of a room or building. The picture is on the wall. War, fighting between countries or groups. The war lasted many years. Wash, to clean with water. Please wash your hands. Waste, to use badly or carelessly. Don't waste your time. Waste, useless material or trash. The bin is full of waste. In English, there are different words for trash or waste. Each word is used in a different situation. Waste. Things that are not useful anymore, often materials or food that we throw away. Chemical waste is dangerous. Trash, US. Everyday things you throw away at home, like paper, plastic, or broken items. Take out the trash before it smells. Garbage, US. Especially food waste or dirty things you throw away in the kitchen. The garbage is full of old food. Rubbish, UK. British English word for trash or garbage, everyday waste at home. Put the rubbish in the bin.
Litter. Small pieces of trash people drop in public places, like streets or parks. There is a lot of litter on the beach. Don't drop litter in the park.
Way, a road or path. This is the way to the park. Way, a method or style of doing something. That's a good way to learn. Weak, not strong. He is too weak to carry the box. Weakness, a lack of strength or power. He is smart, but his weakness is laziness. Wear, to have clothes on your body. She wears an orange coat.
Weight, how heavy something is. What is your weight? His weight is 90 kilos. Weigh, to measure how heavy someone or something is. Example, the nurse weighed the baby this morning. I weigh 85.3 kilos.
West, the direction where the sun goes down. The sun sets in the west. The four directions are north, south, east, and west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. West, the western part of a country or world. He lives in the west of Spain. Western, related to the West or the culture of Western countries. Western countries value democracy.
While, during the time something happens, I read while he cooks. She listened to music while studying. While can mean a period of time, usually after words like a, short, or little. Example, stay here for a while. Week, 7 days. The days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Weekdays, Monday to Friday. I work on weekdays. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I relax on the weekend. Woman, an adult female person. The woman is a doctor. Wood, material from trees. The chair is made of wood. Wood, a small forest. We walked through the wood. Worry, to feel nervous about something. Don't worry about it. Wrong, not correct. Your answer is wrong. Wrong, not good or proper. It's wrong to lie. Wallet, a small case for money and cards. He keeps his money in a wallet. Wave, moving water in the sea. The wave was very big. Wave, to move your hand to say hello or goodbye. She waved at me. Weapon, something used to fight, like a gun or knife. The police found a weapon. Website, a place on the internet. I read the news on a website. What? Asking about something. What is your name? When, asking about time. When is your birthday? Which, asking about a choice. Which color do you like? Whole, complete, not divided. I ate the whole cake. Wide, having a big distance from side to side. The road is very wide. Win, to be the best in a game or competition. Our team will win the match. Win, success in a game or contest. The win was important for the team. Victory, a success in a battle, game, or competition. The team celebrated their victory after the championship. Wish, to hope for something. I wish you good luck. I wish you a happy birthday. Wish, something you want. My birthday wish is a bike. I wish I had more money. I wish I could fly. Want, to wish to have something. I want a new phone. I wish I had a new phone. Will, the strong desire to do something. He has the will to learn. He has the will to win. Willpower, the control to do something hard. It takes willpower to stop eating chocolate every day. It takes a lot of willpower not to eat sweets and candy. She has a lot of willpower. She is studying while her friends are at a party. Without not having something, I can't live without music. Wild, not controlled. Living in nature. Lions are wild animals. Wildlife. Animals and plants that live in nature, not with people. We saw a lot of wildlife in the forest. Whale. A very large sea animal. A whale is swimming in the ocean. Wolf. A wild animal like a big dog. A wolf howls at night.
Animals make different sounds. Dogs bark, cats meow, wolves howl, lions roar, cows moo, horses neigh, and birds chirp.
Wonder. Something amazing. The pyramids are a wonder of the world.
Wonder, to ask yourself about something. I wonder if it will rain. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing these words and collocations because fluency comes from learning how words work together, not only from memorizing vocabulary. See you in the next lesson, where we will continue expanding your English step by step.